Hello friends, BMW is fully gearing up for the release of the all-new 5th generation X5, and as often happens before a major debut, the company has started leaking fresh information online to build excitement around the model. And of course, I couldn't ignore it without sharing all the details with you. But let's go through everything step by step. The BMW X5 is undeniably one of the key pillars of the Bavarian brand when it comes to sales. In 2025 alone, BMW sold more than 76,000 X5s in the United States, representing a 5% increase. Where else do you see a model nearing the end of its life cycle still showing sales growth? That makes the X5 one of the most commercially important vehicles in BMW's entire lineup. The 5th generation, internally known as G65 for combustion engine models and G95 for the electric versions, aims not only to strengthen the X5's position in its segment, but also to open an entirely new chapter for the model. For the first time ever, the X5 lineup will offer 5 different powertrain options, including the first fully electric iX5 in the model's history. I already covered the hydrogen-powered version in detail before, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. Today, though, we'll focus more on the gasoline and electric versions. The electric X5 will feature a very interesting highlight, a massive 147.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack, making it the largest battery ever installed in a production BMW vehicle. Usable capacity, after accounting for the battery buffer, is expected to be around 142 kilowatt-hours, although the exact figures may vary depending on the market and testing methodology. This enormous battery directly supports the model's primary goal, delivering the maximum possible driving range. Preliminary estimates suggest the electric X5 could travel up to 1,000 kilometers on the WLTP cycle, and if even half of that turns out to be realistic in real-world conditions, the X5 has every chance of becoming one of the leaders in the long-range electric SUV segment. This represents a massive leap forward compared to BMW's current EV lineup, so the progress here is obvious. Technically, the iX5 is expected to offer a dual-motor all-wheel drive xDrive setup operating via a fully electronic by-wire system. We're talking about a near top-spec version producing around 580 horsepower and 800 Newton-meters of torque. Another key part of the architecture will reportedly be the transition to an 800-volt electrical system, at least according to the rumors currently circulating online. Personally, though, I'd approach that information with some skepticism. I'm not entirely sure how BMW plans to pull off such a move while still using the aging CLAR platform, but stranger things have happened. Alongside the electric version, BMW will, of course, continue offering combustion engine models. The new X5 will start with a proven 3-liter inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine in its updated B58 B30 M3 specification. Output is rated at 400 horsepower, available from 5,200 revolutions per minute all the way to 6,500 revolutions per minute, while torque reaches 580 Newton-meters from just 1,980 revolutions per minute up to 5,000 revolutions per minute. The engine also features a 48-volt mild hybrid system, contributing an additional 18 horsepower and 200 Newton-meters of torque, so overall the setup remains highly competitive. For diesel fans, however, I have some bad news. The beloved 3-liter B77 diesel engine will reportedly be replaced by the new D3003 version. Unfortunately, this new unit is down by 55 horsepower and 50 Newton-meters of torque. That's the situation for now. If that's still not enough for you, BMW will also offer a plug-in hybrid based on the B58 gasoline engine. This version will carry the 50E badge and deliver 313 horsepower from the combustion engine, while the electric motor contributes another 197 horsepower, bringing total output to around 510 horsepower. And these are Deleco, not all the versions BMW plans to offer for the new X5. Unfortunately, I simply don't have enough reliable information about the other variants yet, so there's nothing concrete to share for now. As for the design, I've already talked about it several times before. The images currently circulating online were taken during a closed pre-premiere presentation, so you can judge the styling for yourselves. BMW plans to begin production of the new X5 in August 2026 at its Spartanburg plant, with production expected to continue all the way until July 2035, so the official debut is really not far away. For now, that's all the new information available about the upcoming X5, but as soon as more details emerge, I'll definitely keep you updated.